Top 10 Exercises for Effective Weight Loss 2025. Are you ready to transform your fitness routine with the top exercise trends for weight loss in 2025? Let's dive in and reshape our futures. In this video, discover the ultimate exercises designed to help you lose weight while enhancing your overall fitness and well-being. First on our list is high-intensity interval training, a powerful workout proven to burn calories efficiently and boost your metabolism beyond the gym. Strength training is another excellent choice, building lean muscle that not only shapes your body, but also increases your resting calorie burn. Yoga makes our list due to its holistic benefits. It improves flexibility, reduces stress, and aids weight loss by promoting mindfulness. Don't miss trying aquatic exercises, which are low impact yet highly effective for fitness and weight loss, especially in joint-friendly workouts. Use the link in the description to access essential fitness products that could transform your weight loss journey in this exciting year. Embrace these exercises and take charge of your health journey in 2025 with confidence, motivation, and commitment to lifelong wellness. Thank you for watching.